you left a mark. Fire in my soul, fire in my heart, till you see me on the other side of stars.
Oh, the journey starts from where we did first step. No one's sure what lies ahead before and breath. Roads may be rough and tough, but we will lead somewhere.
Nothing easy, get up and go, get it go.
Sometimes this journey is about the chase, all about the destination of we're on. No matter how far, how you go, how long can it last?
Gotta face your life, go get it burning.
When there's a beginning, there's an ending too. As we go away, come across many predicaments. Feel like lies beneath colors of love that's excellent. The pictures fade away, beauty will remain the same.
Go! Stop living there when your heart's beating still. No one's slowing down for me, I'm never gonna chill. Every low phase, I'm riding like a drill. I pop by the roads, but outshine.
Only time will tell the money to the thieves. Longer we wait, may it be this way to keep. Standing by for instance, shouting is defense.
Nothing easy, get up and go, get it go.
Only from the heart one reaches to the sky. Ups and downs, it goes for years of each on the right. As you go, believing the faith in yourself.
Gotta face your life, go get it go.
Trust is the name, reflect hope and fear. Be brave and knowing the pain when light just scared. This bright white cloud, which may be hearts and stars of life, meanings all of the search for.
Question, no answers, will this be for nothing? I felt so wordless and nervous, disgusting. I won't be so broken unless I conducted diligently, patiently, and trusted myself. Nothing was given to me, so gotta go earn it. Every pain needs another motivation, I burn it. Reputation doesn't stop death, but it stops life. Accept an open mind for life.
One day this quiet passes.